How to log in your account with Google in NVIDIA. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in NVIDIA. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the homepage of NVIDIA website, and here on the top right corner you can see this sign in option. Click on it. Now again click on sign in. Now to log in your account with Google, click on login with Google option here, and if you have signed up your account using email ID, then simply type in your email on this field and click on continue. After that, choose the account that you want to open in NVIDIA. Now click on continue. Following the simple and easy step, you have successfully logged in your account with Google in NVIDIA. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.